Alright, guys, so I always struggle with, um, well, I used to until I found this recipe for salad dressing. Um, I don't like to eat raw leafy vegetables, like spinach, arugula, kale, chard, all that stuff. But it's like obviously the best for you. And I stay away from gluten and soy, dairy, pretty much like everything. Um, what else is in like corn syrups and sugars and stuff like that? Well, not sugars necessarily, but like fake sugars, like corn syrup. But there's basically in every salad dressing there's what do you call it? There is. I will show you right now if I can find some that we have. But in every salad dressing, oh here we go. Like this wishbone ranch dressing, there's always soybean oil. I don't know if you can see it, but there's always soybean oil. Milk, typically, if it's creamy. Then you got like, fake sugar and buttermilk and just stuff that you should not be eating. Especially soybean, like literally soybean oil is in like 99% of every salad dressing I've ever seen. Like literally, I've been in Whole Foods and every supermarket, and I'm literally going through them, and I'm like, yep, soybean, 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 soybean. They literally all have soybean oil. So, and if you're wondering why I don't eat soy, because for men it promotes estrogen, and obviously I don't want any of that. So yeah, so I create my own salad dressing that's super good. So apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, Dijon, honey, and extra virgin olive oil. Right? It's easy, man. It's easy. It's good. It's good for you. It's perfect. So throw some Dijon in there. Literally just a little bit, like boom. I hate that noise, but like boom. A couple of squeezes, and like if you like it, more spicy, you put more mustard in. If you like it more sweet, you put more honey in it. If you like it more tart, you put more apple cider vinegar. If you need more fat, you put more. So it's like you do it to your liking. So I'll throw some extra virgin in there. Probably a little bit too much, but it'll be alright. Shake up apple cider, and throw some in there. Boom. And I got a sweet tooth, so I'm throwing a lot of honey in there. There we go, some honey. And then I'll probably throw some more Dijon in there. I think it needs more. Dude, am I running out of Dijon? Boom. And you just get a spoon. It's probably too much Dijon. But it is what it is. Let's see. Yeah, that's a lot of Dijon. So it's really peppery. So I'll probably put more. Yeah, that's a lot of Dijon. So I'll probably add more honey and call it a day. And then, boom. I call it my apple cider vinaigrette. And it's easy. And man, it's so good. Like you can eat salad all day. It's a cheat code. And you got your mixed greens. Got your kale, baby chard, spinach. Bro, you can eat it all day. I promise you. It's just like candy. Until the next one.